Hi Jelly Babes. So if you are like me in that you have wanted to do this look, this baby boomer look on your nails, but there's been multiple reasons why you couldn't achieve it. One, maybe when you look at tutorials, it's always using acrylic products or on acrylic nails, or when you specifically type it in for gel, it's actually a hard gel, which you also don't use because you have to file it off with an e-file or something like that. Or three, like me, you've got really, really short nails, and when this design looks amazing, normally it's on really beautifully long manicured nails. Well, I am going to be showing you how you can do it even on your little stubbies like mine. So I'm going ahead and applying, it's actually a French manicure base. It's got a bit of a shimmer in it as well, but it's really sheer, which is what I like. I just applied 2 coats just because I want a bit of strength to the nail more than anything. And thank you to Glitterarty. I have been sent actually 16 of their pigment powders, but I'm going to be playing with 3 of them today. I'll show you the others in another video. So normally they would use those 2 powders, but actually I needed this one just to add that little bit more of the warmth to the nail. I couldn't quite achieve it with just those colours. As you'll see near the end of the video. So you basically want to apply the Prim and Proper to the base of your nail and probably do it about halfway up your nail. You really don't need to use a lot of these powders. As you can see, they are really, really pigmented, which is awesome because it means that the powders are going to be lasting you a long time. So I thought this Cameo Coral was a really good colour to use for me anyway, just because it adds that bit of the warmth that I needed to the nail, because this has got a bit of a shimmer to it. I ended up applying a matte finish to it, which I think looked better. So when I just basically tried to use this Nudie and the white, it was just too pale. The colour got washed out once it went to matte. But applying this Cameo Coral really did add that warmth that you need. So make sure that you stay tuned, don't skip ahead, because I'll show you I apply it a bit differently on my other nails, and I personally feel like that is the better look. I was still trying to work it out on my little nubbies, how to best get the look. So I actually find doing this technique, it's actually more difficult than you think it would be, trying to get this look. So I'm really pleased actually that I managed to work it out. I had a very frustrating practice mode, trying to get it right on pop sticks before I actually did it on my own nails, because obviously if it messes up, it's on my nails for 2 weeks and that would just drive me mad. So I would suggest that if you do go ahead and buy these powders, because you can now finally have that desired look on your own nails, then just get some pop sticks also and have a little bit of a play around till you get the look that you're happy with, that you'd be happy with on your nails. So I'm just finishing it off with the matte coat. And that's how it looked. So this is the way that I did it that I preferred. So I basically did half and half on the nail with the Prim and Proper and Cameo Coral, which is what I am showing you here. And I still use the Nudie to balance it out in the middle, just to get rid of that sort of harsh line that you will see. So it's more sort of blended. So I'm just going to pop some music on now, because as you can hear from my voice, I'm still ill. So yeah, and I'll speak to you in a bit.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still
this is the finished look, and as you can see, I actually managed to do it on my non-dominant hand as well, so it's really easy to achieve. So I really hope that this video has been beneficial to you and helped you out. Here were my hideous first attempts trying to make this work, and as you can see, it just didn't. And I almost gave up on it, and I literally just had one more go where I added the cameo coral to it, and that was it. Boom. Baby boomer. So if you've been a loyal jelly babe and watched right to the end, I will actually now show you that you can achieve this even with normal polish. So you'll want to go ahead and apply it like normal, allow it to completely dry, then apply this transfer foil on top of the nail and leave that to completely dry as well, because when that does, it acts like a tacky layer that is similar to a gel polish. So you apply the powders like normal, as you can see here. It is probably a little bit more stickier than gel polish, so just be careful with it, and you know, just don't try and pull it too much, going over it over and over again, if that makes any sense. So you have been well and truly spoilt in this video, jelly babes. So yeah, so if you have enjoyed this and you know of other baby boomer virgins that haven't been able to achieve this look, then please share this video with them, and let's spread it so we can all have these gorgeous baby boomer nails that we all want to achieve because they look amazing. So you can achieve it now even on short nails and even with normal polish. How awesome is that? So thank you so much for coming and checking out this video. Thank you to Glitterarty for sending me these products. And like I said, I will be reviewing some more of their products in the future. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Please press that free subscribe button and check me out on social medias. And also here's some of the videos in case you missed them. Take care, jelly babes. Bye.